Hello students, welcome to the new video. In this video, we are going to learn about the relationship between the sets. Between the two sets, there are many relationships. Their union, their intersection, they are disjoint sets, empty sets. So these basically the types of sets we are discussing and their relationship between them. So let's talk about the first relationship between the two sets. The first relation in this section, it says the intersection is the first relation. The intersection of two sets P and Q is all the elements that are in both set P and set Q. Both of them is the intersection. Okay, you can write this as P intersection Q. So this is a notation to write down the intersection of two sets P intersection Q. This is a way to write down the intersection. In example 2.1, P intersection Q is 2.2 and 3. Okay, so we have done the example 2.1 in the previous video. If you haven't watched this, then go check out that video. So let me show you what is example 2.1. So here is example 2.1. So the intersection of the set P and the set Q is 2 and 3. So this is how they are telling us that P intersection Q is 2 and 3. Okay, the second relation between the two sets is a union of two sets. P and Q is all the elements that are in set P or set Q. P or Q or both. That is the union. You can write the union as P union Q. So this is a way to write down the union. For example, in example 2.1, P union Q is all these elements. Okay, let me show you this example 2.1. So here is the example 2.1. So how can we list the P union Q? It is 1, it is 2. We can write down the 2 just once because we have learned in the Venn diagram that we can, if the numbers are repeated, we can just write it once. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 11, 12, 13, 17, and 19. So this is the union. Yes, let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 11, 12, 13, 17, and 19. Yes, it's correct. Okay, if a set has no element, it is called the empty set. There is another concept of empty set. So if the set has no element, that is an empty set. The symbol for the empty set is, this is a symbol for the empty set, the 0 and the 5, the cross, the line basically. Okay, it seems a trivial idea, but it is quite important when dealing with some sets. For example, if the universal set is a polygons, there are so many polygons, P is a triangle and Q is a quadrilateral, then the Venn diagram looks like this. Okay, so there is a universal set, which are all the polygons, and the P set only contains the triangles, any kind of right angle triangle or isosceles triangle or equilateral triangle, scalene triangle. So any kind of triangle the set P contain. The set Q contain the quadrilateral having 4 sides. It can be a square, it can be a rectangle, or it can be a kite. So any shape or when having 4 sides is a quadrilateral. So how can we show this in the Venn diagram? So you can see these two sets are disjoint, right? The sets are disjoint. So what are their intersection? Their intersection is phi. The intersection of a set P and the set Q is an empty set, or just phi. So this is a notation to represent that set. So the intersection are basically, so we have learned 3 relation in this video. So the first relation between the two sets is the intersection. The intersection is basically the elements which are present in both sets, right? So just list those elements which are in both. Union, which are in both, and as well as which are then we can write down the intersection as well as list all the elements of P and all the elements of the Q, the two sets. That is the union. And the empty set is the set having no element. So if we can do this example that these two sets are disjoint, their intersection is just an empty set. Let's do the exercise 2.3. That is a practice question. For each of the question in question number Exercise 2.2, you have to find the P intersection Q and P union Q. So these are the practice questions. So let me show you where is exercise 2.2. So here is an exercise 2.2, students. This is an exercise 2.2. Please take a screenshot of these question number 1 to 6 and practice these questions. Find out their unions of the two sets, the intersection of the two sets. If you get stuck at any question, you can ask me in a comment section. I hope you understand the relation between the sets, the union, intersection, and the empty set we have learned in this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.